Hello! So I wanted to do this video to talk about this WitchCasket box that I just got like a few days ago. I first wanted to, it's my first time ordering it, so I didn't know if it was enough to make a whole video about it, so not gonna lie, I opened it, but I didn't open everything. I just wanted to know if the box was enough to make a whole video about it, and hell yes it is. It's so cool. So I'm just gonna unbox it again and so you guys can see what's inside and why it's so freaking cool. Let's just do this. I got it in 8 business days because it's shipped from the UK, so it always takes a bit of time. And I paid $40. It might seem expensive, but honestly, when you will see what is inside, it's so freaking cool. Let's do this! The packaging is awesome. I mean, it's so cool. The box is so cool. So it looks like this inside. So you have this little list of contents in it. So this box from March is about taking charge and being in control. So this is for the boss witches. So if you're a boss witch, this one is for you. Then you have the tiny print. It's cards and it's super nicely done. Then I have this, which is a personal power ritual kit. So I didn't open it because I want to do this for my Patreon, since the ritual kit and the spell thing I think is a bit more personal, so I'm not gonna open it here, but it's on my Patreon, so if you ever want to see what it is, the whole set, just check out the link in the description, but I can tell you there is one in it and I think it's super cool. Then I have this cool mug, and so it's written WitchCasket and reject that witch does not serve. And this is so freaking nice, and so you can keep your thing warm in here. It's so cool. Sorry you see my window in it. I think it's very nice. And it's big. Lots of tea. Then you have this little wall hanger thingy, and it's written Boss Witch. And it's so cool, and it's made of plain wood, so it's quite heavy, but I love it. Then I have a little pin, which is also written Boss Witch in a very cool font. And so then I have this little patch, which is it's written Season of the Witch, and it's so pretty. I have this ritual candles, so a white one for peace, healing and truth, and a black one for protection, banishing, and other rituals. And they are so big, so this one is the white one, and here is the black one. So cool. And then I have a tiny necklace from Curiology, which is a brand I already knew, and it's very, very cool, I think. A little pentacle. It's so cute. I love it. I have this little black bag, and you wonder what's in it. Well, I opened it already, so I know, but it's a freaking big crystal, and I think this one is so awesome. I mean, so it's a selenite or selenite, I don't know how we say it. And the color, I mean, oh my god, I need to show you. And honestly, just for this crystal, I think the box is just so nice, and I mean, it's just perfect. I love it. And I still have some things, so it's really, really not empty. then I have coffee. And you have like the brewing instruction at the back. And so it's Italian coffee in a very nice packaging. I'm not a coffee person really, I prefer tea. But I think I can try because, I mean, if it's in there, I think it's good. And this is about Magic on the Go. So I think I will put a photo of it on my Patreon, because since I could like buy this box into my Patreon money, they get rewards, so they get to see what other people cannot see. So this will be my Patreon as well. And then the very last thing is this, which contains fennel seeds. So for charisma, willpower and protection. And oh, this is so cool. I think it's gonna... Oh, what is it? I wanna open it. So these are the seeds. And this is so nice. Oh my god, so many stuff. And honestly, I'm so happy I ordered it like for my birthday. So this box is eco-friendly and vegan. So it's just so great. And if you want to try it once like me, you just subscribe for like a month. And they ship it every 15th of each month. And so at like 16th or 17th, you just unsubscribe. And then you won't be charged next month. So this is WitchCasket UK. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and tell me in the comment if you want maybe me to open more things like this. And yeah, so have a nice day. Bye bye.